This is the most versatile crochet braids you will ever see in your entire life. Period, sis. Period. Let's start.
Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V money. Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam. Say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam.
Come and glow with your glow, honey. Come and glow with me.
Stop low, DJ Key, run your check, you come for this bad man, Mama, if you don't like me, you dey worry yourself. You don't need me, you. Stop low, DJ Key, run your check, you come for this bad man, Mama, if you don't like me, you dey worry yourself. You don't need me, you dey worry yourself. Cause the boy he just dey go. Anything with the vibe they go. Me and my guys with the flow they go. With the flow they go. See the way that we just they go. DJ Key with the flow they go. From your shape we just they go. Money na nothing. Me and my guys we dey give them the popping. When we ball and you know that we ballin'. And we dey pop up the place. We dey give them the song. And they feeling the flow. And they dance to the song go. Baby get up. Lebe oh, lebe mo, lebe oh, lebe oh. I get some girls where they do one for me, and I get another one where they do one for free, and I get another one where they cry for me, and I get another one where they call for me. Stop low, I don't do Igboro. I say me, I don't do Igboro. Stop low, I don't sing Igboro, and you know I don't sing Igboro. Me sing say, lebe oh, lebe. Lebe mo, lebe oh, lebe oh, yes. DJ Kid on the building. Stop the make it go. Stop blow. Hey, when you check it, I can't go. Listen, una girl que no sabe mover, mami tú aquí do hasta abajo otra vez. Rock it up, chava, baby walk mama. Tú sabes que yo quiero hacértelo en mi cama. Yo quiero sin caer hasta por la mañana. Baby yo no creo en nada. Que le doy con el laca. Ya estoy por encima, yo tengo mi paga. De lunes a domingo clavando la estaca. A ella le gusta el perreo, le damos perreo hasta por la mañana. Oh boy, rock it up, chava, rock boy. Mama, if you don't like me, you dey worry yourself. You don't need me, you dey worry yourself. Cause the boy he just dey go. Anything with the vibe they go. Me and my guys with the flow they go. With the flow they go. See the way that we just they go. DJ Key with the flow they go. Lebe oh, lebe mo, lebe oh, lebe oh, lebe oh, lebe mo, lebe oh, Mama, if you don't like me, you dey worry. If you don't need me, you dey worry yourself. Cause the boy, anything with the vibe they go.
DJ Kid say so. I dey grace. Stop blow, let the blood they go. Run your check, Wakuba, Cubano, now they go. Now don't forget to the minute they blow they go. Now the way they relax it. Stop blow, it's coming back again to blow up the place. Bumble clap man.
Man's out. Romeo llega. Un saludo para todas esas mujeres que están depiladas.
Bleachy in the mix.
Stop low, DJ you not like me, you they worry yourself. You not need me, you they worry yourself. Cause the boy he just they go. Anything with the buy they go. Me and my guys with the flow they go. With the flow they go. See the way that we just they go. DJ Key with the flow they go. Run your shape, we just they go. Money na nothing. Me and my guys we they give them the popping. When we ball and you know that we ballin'. And we they pop up the place. We they give them the song. And they feeling the flow. And they dance to the song go. Baby get up. Ebelebe oh, ebelebe. Ebelebe mo, ebelebe. Ebelebe oh, ebelebe. Ebelebe oh, ebelebe. I get some girls where they drum for me, and I get another one where they drum for free, and I get another one where they cry for me, and I get another one where they call for me. Star blow, I don't do Igboro. I say me, I don't do Igboro. Star blow, I don't sing Igboro. And you know I don't sing Igboro. Me sing say, ebelebe oh, ebelebe. Ebelebe mo, ebelebe.
No, yeah. Go with daddy. You can't stay with daddy. Now I have 3 packs on. Three whole packs, okay? So this is how it looks. I'm loving it, so remember. So because I have only 2 packs of black, I didn't put any black over here. I don't think it's so obvious, but anyways, I want to put the black here. Okay, so I want to have the perfect match. So let's go there. So now the color I have to put here is blonde, because like brown, blonde, black, brown, blonde. So we have to put a blondie over here. As I want the hair to fall like this, I will put the lash hook like this. Okay, so you put the lash hook over there like so, put the hair in, lock it, cross it, then take the hair again, put it in there, close it and pass it through. Then you have your crochet hair. It looks very nice. I mean, if this happened to you, have happened to me many times, you take your lash hook again, okay, you cross it. Oh my god, I can't see very well. Okay, yeah, you cross it like this, you take the hair again, you put it in there and you cross it again. Okay, so this has happened to me many times. And you get it corrected, you see guys. So yeah, that's what I do. There. So yeah, it really looks like individual crochet. I mean, oh lord. So now I need to take a black color. So as I was saying, if you want your crochet to look, if you want your crochet to fall this side, you have to put the lash hook this side like this. So here you have it, okay? So now I have to put brown. Always remember, if you want it to fall like this, pull the lash hook like this. Okay, so this has happened again. So you take your lash hook like this and put the hair back and pass it through it once again. So that's it. Okay, so now we go again with the blonde, black and brown. Okay, blonde, black and brown. So that's how I'm going to go, even up here. Like here, the next one is black and the next one is brown. So I want it to be like this. I don't know why I'm so perfectionist in this kind of stuff. So yeah, when I'll finish and all, I'll be back. Okay. Ooh, baby, like look at these girls. Like, you're gonna like this one, honey, period. Look at this. I'm feeling this crochet so much right now. Like let me go on makeup.
Yes, we dey give them the popping. When we ball and you know that we ballin'. And we dey pop up the place. We dey give them the song. And they feeling the flow. And they dance to the song. Baby girl, lebe oh, lebe mo, lebe oh, lebe oh. I get some girls where they do one for me, and I get another one where they do one for free, and I get another one where they cry for me, and I get another one where they call for me. Star blow, I don't do Igboro. I say me, I don't do Igboro. Star blow, I don't sing Igboro, and you know I don't sing Igboro. Me sing say, lebe oh, lebe. If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there. Stay tuned for more videos and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I'm not going yet. Okay, I'm your worst nightmare. I'm not going nowhere. Time for music. Alright, time for music. So guys, before I start my music, do you guys like my t-shirt? My contact lenses are from COLORCL.com. Today I'm wearing the Sapphire from the Sparkle collection, Siesta Concept. Okay, and my lashes are also from COLORCL.com by the name Mimo Lashes in Dramatic DF07. I just cut them a little bit to create a new style. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god, the camera is too high today. Can you guys see? Can you guys see that? I don't know. If you guys saw that, that's what I tried to do. Okay? If you don't like me, you dey worry. If you don't need me, you dey worry yourself. Cause the boy, anything with the bike they go.
DJ Kiss says so.